This is the robot that I made with the Hummingbird Duo, and I'll show you the back of it. You can see all the parts that I put in there. So these are my two LEDs, and then I have the two servos that I used. I put in the light sensor, but I ended up not using that. And then I have the power to make the servos work. So stand it back up. Okay. And this is the script that I made in Scratch. And I'll show you how the Lorax works. As soon as I can get it stood up. Okay. So his eyes turn green when he's happy, and he'll wave at us. And then towards the end of the book, he gets really mad. And then he throws his arms up because he's mad and he's yelling at us. So, and then it just goes back to start at the very end.